don't actually want to turn it on, do I? I'm only rolling it forwards. This whole intro's for nothing. Happy New Year. Welcome back. It's been a few months. I don't know what else to say now. I've ruined my intro.
We'll do another.
No, I'm not doing another intro. Right. Sorry, it's been a long time. It's been a few months, but obviously the weather's crap in the UK. Especially during the time off that I have during weekends and whatnot, so I haven't been able to do anything at all since the last video. So a whole year has passed. It's now 2023 and we're about to crack on and finish off where we left off. So yeah, let's get cracking. Hello. Right, where were we? Oh my god. So most of the framework's here, just need to finish it off. So yeah, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's just get going. I ain't got my pencil again. Every time. Okay, which way am I screwing? Am I screwing 2 up or 2 across? Figure it out, can't figure it out.
2 up.
2 up it is, yeah, because just in case I need to put pocket screws in, I can go either side. Well done.
I just guessed.
Right, let's hope I don't screw through into my bench. Hey. Whee! I don't know how these people manage to keep a schedule on YouTube, makes no sense. Right, so.
A lot of people though, YouTube is their job.
Well, yeah, I know it's their full-time job, right? So they do it 9 to 5. No, not 9 to 5, but they do it every single day, right? We've got a 9 to 5 job. We've got other commitments. We've got the weather to contend with. We've got
we've got 4 PM darkness.
4 PM darkness. Lack of money, lack of resources, lack of tools other than these basic stuff. Yeah, it's a struggle. Oh, they'll stand up, won't they? Right, so let me measure that, square it across, and then we can cut this off, stick that to that, and then that side's framed out 90% of the way. I need another post there. And that's it, yeah, we're doing alright. Hopefully we can get this done today, and then that side done. That's probably going to be it for this video. It'll be a short one, if I stop talking. Right, come on then. Oh, pass me that jacket. It's absolutely freezing. That's much better. Beautiful.
Happy.
That's that frame done, look at it. Well, you know what I mean, like it's in one piece. It's not finished, clearly. It's amazing what difference a jacket can do. I'm absolutely boiling now.
You're boiling?
No, I'm not boiling, but I'm warm. Well, my hands are.
You just look like a little gnome.
Yeah, it's the hat, isn't it? Mm. Hopefully we'll be getting new hats, won't we?
Yeah.
No.
Watch this space.
Right. Just going to see if this fits in the van, then we're going to have a coffee to warm up. So let's go.
Yeah, coffee break. I can tell someone's glad it's sunny today.
How good is that? It's not quite in the right position like that, but it's near enough. Yeah. I'm impressed. So, and that is pretty strong anyway, but we'll have a post there, strengthen this corner. Jobs are good.
Looks good.
Coffee time. coffee and a limp ball later, and we're ready to crack on. What? What's so funny about that?
Oh, you said limp ball.
Limp ball. No, lint chocolate ball. Yeah, so one coffee and a lint chocolate ball later, we're ready to crack on. Also, we said that it was freezing. Like, I've got my jacket, I've got all this on, got gloves on, we're there shivering. We just checked the temperature, it's 5 degrees.
That is pretty cold though.
Which is pretty chilly, but it's not freezing, is it?
Not compared to like Canadian
But,
season.
wind chill factor,
-5.
-20. There's definitely a wind. Look, film this guy, look. Look how windy it is. It's ridiculous. Right, I don't even know what I'm doing. Right, let's go back to the van and measure some stuff, eh?
What, just for the sake of it?
You what?
Just for the sake of it.
Just let them measure some shit. I don't care what they're measuring. Oh, I've got the rubbish square. Damn it.
Are you sure it's coffee that we had?
You what?
Are you sure it's coffee that we had?
I don't know. It could have been anything. You made it. So this is now looking amazing, if I do say so myself. Like, better than a real joiner would do. Even better than Joiner Joe. What?
Someone say no.
Someone say no, lying. Anyway, so now we need to do this side now. Yeah, no idea how I'm going to do it, but let's get cracking. Yeah. Got all that kind of framed out now. These bits removable, just making sure it all got the same distance, 480 there, 480 between there, and still 480 there, so that's all good. Now I need to work out what length this second bench needs to be, because that's where my units are going to start. So I think I've got here where the unit's going to finish, but I might do it where this post starts here, just have a bit of a narrower unit, because I've got a hole here that I cut out before, and I don't really want it to go over the top of the thingy and the bobbity bob. So yeah, because my other unit's going to have to go in there, so it's going to have to go that side of that post. Yeah, so we'll figure that distance out now.
To do now?
Well, for some reason, just on this side, the edge where the units are going to start, it's sloping down a little bit, so I don't know if that's the floor or whatever, but just to level it all out, I'm just making this one a little bit bigger and that one a little bit bigger, and then everything else levels off then. So like I say, it's really hard to get things level inside the van, so I don't know if it'll squish down later on and it'll be all fine, but I don't think it will. I think it's quite a tight fit, so I'm just going to try it. I can always change the legs later anyway, but yeah, just to get everything squared up for now, I'm just going to do it. There, that's level across those three. Hopefully it's level across those three. Yeah, so that's better now. Before, this bit was tilting that way, so I had to lift this leg up a little bit and lift this leg up a bit. So there must be something off with the van, because now that is cock on with the slats.
So why is that side done it?
I don't know, that side's just worked. I've no idea why, but I could end up being wrong later on, but all I'm bothered about is that now is like level, so that's all that matters. So that's, yeah, see, that's touching there, touching there, touching there, touching there, so that's level with each other. Doesn't quite matter if it's not perfect, as long as everything marries up and we can keep it all square. There's got to be some reason why that one's slightly off. I think it's the floor. I think there's something too tight on the floor that's lifted it up in one place or down in the other place. No, down, so it's further down on one side maybe. All I can think of. Higher up in some other areas. Right, so we're almost there. Squeaky. And we just sit down. Oh wow, I'm impressed. Right, so that's it for this week. Pretty impressed with what we've done. Main framework's done for the bed. All we need to do is put the slats on, stuff like that, and obviously put cupboard doors on, whatever. We might leave that for a little while because I'm probably going to work on the kitchen side of things in the next video. So maybe that framing around there. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't as long as the last one, which is probably a good thing. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all those things. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell, subscribe, leave a comment, all those nice things, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Right, as you may remember from the beginning of the video, I was trying to start the van for no reason, but now I need to put it back. So I do need to start the van. So let's see if it works. I don't think it's going to work.